Hi everybody. Tonight's video was meant to be about installing GNS3 on Windows. The problem is that when I attempted to do so, it asked me to create an account when I wanted to download GNS3. So let's take a look. So I'm going to the GNS3 website, to the downloads page, and here I found that if I attempt to log or download Windows, the Windows version for GNS3, it asks me for a login page. Cancel that. Was not interested in creating an account or to log in. I thought maybe let's see what Mac does, and it shows me the same page. However, when I do go into the Linux page, it gives me the repositories and the route by which I could do an installation for Ubuntu, as you can tell over there. Is how to install Docker. Here's the Debian distribution way to do the installation. Similar to Ubuntu. Here's how you would do it on Arch Linux and how you would probably do it on Red Hat or one of the other servers. So Red Hat doesn't seem to be supported. So it doesn't seem like there's an easy way to do this without having to create an account on the GNS3 side. The problem is I did log in, and when I managed to do so, it told me that thank you for my interest and they will evaluate my request and then let me know whether I can install or they'll send me a link to download the GNS3. This is after 2 working days and I'm not interested in waiting for that. So it looks like we'll be doing GNS3 on Ubuntu Linux exclusively. I've had many years of experience with that and I find I prefer it that way. So let's do it on Ubuntu. All future videos of GNS3 will be done on the Linux system. One of the alternatives, however, could very well be that we do GNS3 and may be worthwhile to do it using a terminal. So because in our previous video, we did Ubuntu on WSL. If I type in Ubuntu after having installed it yesterday, I expect I should be able to run Ubuntu from here, and I suppose I could then use the apt install after adding the repositories, of course. So there you go. That's the video for now. Let's see what it looks like in the coming days. Thanks. Bye, everybody.